How to invest in Bitcoin, a beginner's guide. Bitcoin has become a hot topic in the world of finance and investment. Once seen as a fringe technology, it is now regarded as a legitimate digital asset with the potential to deliver long-term value. If you're curious about investing in Bitcoin but unsure where to begin, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual currency that uses blockchain technology to record transactions securely. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin allows peer-to-peer payments without the need for a central authority like a bank. Its decentralized nature and limited supply, only 21 million will ever exist, have made it both a store of value and a speculative investment. Why invest in Bitcoin? A high growth potential. Bitcoin's value has increased significantly over time, despite volatility. An inflation hedge, like gold, many investors view Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. A global access. Anyone with internet access can invest. A diversification. It can add balance to a traditional investment portfolio. But remember, Bitcoin is highly volatile, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Step by step. How to invest in Bitcoin. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange or platform. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to create an account with a cryptocurrency exchange or broker. Popular platforms include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, Paxful, peer-to-peer. Look for a platform that supports your country, offers security features, and has low fees. Step 2. Set up your account. Sign up with your email or phone number. Verify your identity. Upload ID, selfie, or documents. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. Step 3. Fund your wallet. You can fund your account using a bank transfer, a debit/credit card, a mobile payment options, depending on the exchange, peer-to-peer cash or mobile wallet. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, search for Bitcoin, BTC, and place a buy order. Market order. Buy at the current price instantly. Limit order. Set your own price and wait for a match. Start small if you're a beginner. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin, e.g., $10 worth. Step 5. Store your Bitcoin safely. There are two main ways to store Bitcoin. Hot wallets, online wallets, app/web-based, convenient but less secure. Cold wallets, offline storage, like hardware wallets, safer for long-term holding. Never leave large amounts of Bitcoin on an exchange long-term. Tips for smart Bitcoin investing. 1. Do your research, DYOR. Learn about market trends, Bitcoin technology, and regulations. 2. Start small. Don't put in more money than you're comfortable losing. 3. Stay updated. Follow crypto news from sites like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. 4. Beware of scams. Avoid any get-rich-quick schemes or fake investment plans. 5. Hold for the long term, HODL. Bitcoin has shown long-term growth despite short-term dips. Taxes and regulations. In many countries, profits from Bitcoin are taxable as capital gains. Make sure you keep records of transactions. Report earnings as required in your country. Consult a tax advisor for detailed guidance. Conclusion. Investing in Bitcoin can be exciting and potentially profitable, but it requires careful planning, continuous learning, and strong risk management. Start small, use secure platforms, and don't be swayed by hype. With the right approach, Bitcoin can become a valuable part of your financial journey.